Wait, what I have here? I have something for you. Yeah, I have something for you. Your favorite. Your favorite. Look at you. You like. I buy for you. This is your Christmas present. You cannot wait. Look at you. See, you know when you have a cat, they like with grass. They with grass. So funny. Let's get into the door. You like this? You like this? Did you miss this? Huh? Did you miss this? Oh, really? I know. Huh? You like this? You like this? Okay, everyone. This is her her presence after my work tonight. She cannot wait. Come on, he cannot wait. No, you don't want to go in the luggage. Huh? You want to say good night to everybody and Merry Christmas? Huh? Merry Christmas, everyone. Meow. Meow. Okay, you cannot wait. You grab on the grass. Okay, let me see. I need to put something in the floor. Neng. Okay, Neng. Okay, let me see. You like that one? Oh, you like that one. Oh, don't finish it. Maybe I just let you. Oi! Don't do that, Meng. Only half. If I will hide this because you will finish everything. Is this your medicine? Oh. Okay, that's your medicine. Neng. You keep an eye, Neng. You really love it. That's your presence. It's been a while I don't have that. Maybe I can grow again with grass for